Welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you a dry pouring exercise from jug to jug using beans from the practical life area. This exercise develops the child's eye-hand coordination skills, fine motor skills, and also independence. Let's watch the presentation. Judith, today we are going to do a pouring exercise from jug to jug using beans. Watch me and you may have your turn later. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again!